Today is the 12th of February. Okay, 2026. We are here at the Sairang rail station. So now we are waiting for the passenger. We are looking for the passenger. Okay, and there are a lot of people. We are here. Wow, they are coming. Woo! Bye bye. Yes. Thank you. Oh. Oh yes. Oh, there are a lot of people here. We are here to wait for them. There is the MST bus, and people are waiting for them. Okay, so I hope some people will be there to guide, and I'm looking for that. And somebody is talking here. Okay, so the security are here. Okay. Oh, we are looking for the big passenger. Okay, this is one of the master. Gari hai. Okay. Oh, Sarsing here. He is a man among the men.
Kakar khat mil na ani to ta.
Wow.
Zain cho hi minun pe thei ngem ka ti kan pui nau ten. Mutbu ne.
Oh, mutbu ne.
Mutbu le cho hi mor pe thei do ne. Ka ngai tu ani.
Ole. Don't worry, be happy.
Don't worry, be happy. I am very lungai.
Oh, lungai su. So, MST Oma. Actually, we're here right now. And a lot of people. Oh, sang zola. Sairang master. Okay. Oh yes. Oh, let's go. Okay. Oh, dancing. Okay. So, actually we are here waiting for the passenger. Okay. I'll be back.